Hi everyone, it's Ann here from Ann Makes. Thank you for stopping by. Welcome into the studio if you are new here. Please remember to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below in the description there. The description I should say, or on the Ann Makes in the corner of the screen, whichever corner that is. And today I have an AliExpress haul to share with you. I received two things that I ordered. Since AliExpress takes a lot of time sometimes for my stuff to come in, I just thought I would start the haul now. And depending on how much time it takes me to show you the items I received yesterday, I might just pause the video and then continue another day with other items, or this will be quite a short haul. Okay, so the first thing I have to share with you is I ordered these. This is called 4 sheets of vintage Italy style folding stamps. And this was just 92 cents. And I got this from High Home Store, capital H, capital Y, Home Store. So that is what I got that. And it comes in this little package here. Here it gives you like a breakdown of all the little stamps inside. And actually this is sticky too. So, oh, okay. That's neat. It's sticky. And so it says it get 4 sheets, but the backing is actually a sheet of stickers as well, which is fun. You could cut these up. They're so tiny. So it might be fun to do. Okay. So you get 4 sheets of these stamp stickers. Each one is peelable. I checked, and they do have a deckled edge there, like a real postage stamp. So they're fun. And this says it was Italy style. Yes, so they sound Italian. So this is what I got. If you can am I showing that properly? Okay. So 92 cents. Yeah, that's good. I like that. And this from the same store. These were $1.56 a piece. I actually purchased 2. And they are 60 pieces vintage sticker past event decorative series. So 60 pieces vintage sticker past event decorative series. And to show you that it comes in this package, and I am going to keep the packaging because this could be used in some sort of ephemera for mixed media, etc. I think it's really nice looking, and these are really nice stickers. They seem to be a vellum sticker, and you get 2 of each of the designs. Just show you here. This is what you get. So as you can see here, we have like a van or a minibus, and the old car. There's another car, and here's like a carriage. Really neat. So there's 2 of each. Here's they have the man on the bicycle. I love vintage things to use in craft and art making. There's some more cars. There's a shoe here. See the shoe? The little shoe. Girl. Here's some vintage advertising. My garage, my rules, or I should say signs, vintage signs. And there's some more. There's a few others. This one, auto parts, tire shop. These have a very masculine type of feel to them, and that's why I got them, because I like to have different things in my stash. So if I find things that are masculine, I like to buy them because they're harder to find. And here we have the horse pulling the covered wagon. Horses pulling covered wagon, I should say. Another car. Oh, the scooter. I love this little scooter here. And this is, oh, antique bicycles. And did I show you? Nope, I didn't show you all of them. There's this one, another little car. Oh, here's a pair of shoes. Before I only had one shoe, now I have a pair. Here's a man, another man with a bicycle. This one he's standing. Here's I guess this is a pedal car. I think that's what it is. And let's see. Oh, here's an advertisement for a gas station. And here's a pickup truck. And I think I showed you all of the different stickers that there are in this set. And I think they're really pretty. I love how they look. I love how thin they are. These kind of not disappear totally, but they kind of blend into your page when you're creating either a mixed media, art piece, a scrapbook page, an art journal page, whatever you create. These tend to just blend right into the background. So I think that's a lot of fun. So the next item I have to share with you are actually two items. I ordered a set of dies, and this is my storage system. I ordered a set of dies, and like this, and the stamp set. Now they weren't sold together, they had to be purchased separately, but I didn't mind. If I buy dies now, I really like to get the matching stamps. And this one is the phonograph. I had kept the note. Where's my note? Oh, it's right here. So this is the page that goes in my catalog. So it's phonograph metal cutting dies and stamps. The total for both was $7.17. This I got from the Addie craft store, Addie. And so there are 11 dies to make these records, and the what do you call that? The arm on the record player, musical notes, some extra circles. So you can basically make a long LP and what do you call that? The little records. I've already forgotten what these are called. And the stamps here, what they're for, you have these little circle stamps to like write like the title of a record, but they say things like congratulations, happy birthday to you, don't stop believing, thank you, thank you. And here you can have other titles that say all of me loves all of you, happy birthday to you, just a note to say. And there's also things like you spin me round like a record. And this is like if you were playing radio and you would see the music, you know, the sound on the gauge. Oh my goodness, I can't talk this morning. Anyway, so, and then here it says, for the record, you're not old, you are a classic. Happy birthday, you rocked it. Lots of musical notes. So there's a total of 29 of these clear stamps. And this is what they look like. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. So that's it for my little AliExpress haul. I look forward to playing with my new supplies, and I just wanted to let you know that I'm very careful now which dies I buy, because I've organized and cataloged my collection, so I know what I have, and which makes it easier in a sense now when I go to look on websites to order stuff because I feel like shopping. This way I order things that I don't have, and this is something I really did not have in my, I didn't have anything like this in my collection, and I just thought it was really, really neat. And there were a lot of possibilities to use this for making all sorts of cards, for making all sorts of scrapbook pages, for making making ephemera to use in projects. And I just thought, yeah, I really like that. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you were inspired, found something to get yourself crafting. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, please like and share if you care. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye.